So let's try the exercise 3.1 and do these questions. So how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? So the same way we have discussed in the explanation about the paper, we have 30 centimeter, what it is 30 centimeter away, right? So if I'm taking this corner as the origin, I'm taking the corner as my origin. This corner is my origin, right? That is, the corner will be origin. If the corner is origin, what is this distance? This distance is 30 centimeter, right? And what is this distance? It is 25 centimeter. Vertical distance is 25 centimeter. It's like a rectangle, right? Okay. Now I need the other point, right? So by ordered pair, what is my ordered pair here? The ordered pair will become, what is the x value? The x value or the x coordinate. It's called the x coordinate is called the abscissa, right? So what is the abscissa here? So it's easy to remember abscissa, right? When we say that, the pronunciation of x is coming, right? Abscissa. So the same x means x value or x coordinate. So abscissa is what? The x value, right? So what is the x value here? It is 30, correct? It is going to be 30 here, correct? Yes. And it is going to be 25 here. Yes. So in that logic, what is going to be your abscissa? Your abscissa is going to be 30, right? So your ordered pair will be 30, 25. 30, 25. What is the y coordinate? Y coordinate you can say, or y coordinate, or you can say what? The ordinate. The ordinate is what? The y value. So what is the y value here? The y value here is, yes, the y value here is 25. Correct? So this is your ordered pair. Your ordered pair will be 30, 25. Let's try another question. The question looks very big, but the answer is very small. Okay. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. All the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meters apart. So they are 200. So each of them are 200 meters apart. Okay. Now what do we understand? There are about 5 streets in each direction using 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. Draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent the roads or streets by single lines. There are many cross streets in your model. A particular cross street is made by 2 streets, one running in the north-south direction and another in the east-west direction. Each cross street is referred to in the following manner. If the second street running in the north-south direction and the fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, not same, some crossing, then we will call this cross street 2, 5. So we can see the diagram. The diagram looks very similar to us. We have north-south, which is the y-axis, east-west, which is the x-axis, right? How many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3? Where is 4, 3? That is street 3 and street 4 is meeting, correct? That is 4, 3. When these two streets meet, it is 4, 3, correct? So cross streets 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 3 are already marked here, right? It's already marked in the figure. Now what are they asking? How many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3? Only one cross street, right? When the street 3 and street 4 crosses, it will be 1. There is only one. How many cross streets can be represented as 3, 4? Where is 3, 4? So let's try to plot it. We'll understand it much better. Where is first 4, 3? There is only one 4, 3. This is the 4, 3. This is the first one. There is only one, right? What about here 3, 4? That is different. It is 2 different places, right? So this is the idea, right? So we have 4, 3 and 3, 4, right? So which is 3, 4, which is 4, 3 is clearly visible to us, right? The first one is how many streets can be referred to as 4, 3? Only one. This is this first one, right? This one is 4, 3, right? This is the street 4 and 3, 4, 3. Now where is 3, 4? So here we have 3 is here and 4. This is 3, 4, right? So like that we get 2 points. Simple as that. It's easy, right? Now let's see the next exercise 3.2.